So we'll start out with number 7 on the front. Wait a minute. Is this the warm-up?
Yeah.
This is the warm-up. Look at that. That was a complete accident. Well, either way, I want to do left over right. That's x over 3. I got to do left over right here. That's 14 over 21. It could be 3 over x. But if we do 3 over x, what's my second fraction got to be? 21 over 14. So like just like what we talked about in the warm-up, right? The first triangle, it doesn't matter which way you set it up, as long as you match your second triangle to that. So if you do left over right, you got to do left over right. Over here, like Saeed said, he did right over left. You've got to set that equal to the right side over the left side. Either way, again, we get 21x equals 42. We divide by 21 and are left with 2. Did you find it, Sir Darius? Sir Darius, did you find it? No? Okay, you gotta let me know. All right, on to the back, number 10. This is a good one. Again, you may have set it up slightly differently. Just wait to see if you get the right answer at the end. I'm going to do left side, 55, over my right side, 121, equals left side, which is x, over right side, which is 11. Right? Now, I don't want to have to multiply 55 times 11, so I'm going to take this blue proportion and I'm going to simplify it. What two numbers would multiply to give me 55? 11 and 5. What two numbers multiply to give me 121? 11 and 11. Is there anything we can cancel from the top and the bottom? A pair of 11s go away. That's right. And now I've got 5 over 11 equals x over 11. So all I did was I shrunk this fraction down, simplified it to get 5 over 11, 5 over 11, which makes my cross multiplying now much, much easier. I get 11x equals 55. What do I do now? Divide by 11 on both sides. How many times does 11 go into 55? 5 times. Also, if we look back after we simplified this, if both of my fractions are out of 11, right, I got an 11 on the bottom here, 11 on the bottom there, I could just cancel my denominators out right away. And I'm left with x equals 5. Same as if we did it the right way. It's a fun little shortcut there. And last but not least, number 16, what's my first proportion going to look like? What is it? 8x? 8 over x, that's a little bit better. 8x wouldn't be a proportion, right? So how can I match my second triangle up with that? What's it going to be? 96 over 48. Right side and right side, both on top. Bottom on bottom, both on the bottom. Again, I don't want to have to multiply 8 times 48, but I can simplify this red fraction here. 96 is, what is that, 8 times 12? No. Yeah, 8 times 12. 48 is 8 times 6, I think. Cross out the 8s. Now I've got 12 over 6. That makes my cross multiplying a lot easier. I get 12x equals 48. Divide both sides by 12, and we get x is equal to 4. Did anybody not simplify this red fraction and just plug it in their calculator and get all those big numbers? No? Everybody simplified the fraction? Did anybody actually multiply 48 times 8 and then divide it by 96? Okay. Saeed, did you still get 4?
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. That's all I needed to know.